The first step to installing pallet gel is to clean your pallets. Pallet gel will stick a lot better to clean pallets. Now remove just the printed release liner from pallet gel and place the back edge of pallet gel straight onto the pallet. Now use a squeegee card or something rigid to squeegee the pallet gel onto your pallet while keeping the rest of pallet gel up and off of the pallets. Take your time here to avoid air bubbles because pallet gel is going to be on your pallets for a while. Remove the top release liner from the pallet gel and be sure to save this piece in case you need to cover the pallet gel later. Now the next step here is really important. We're going to tape down all 4 sides of pallet gel with masking tape. This will allow your shirts to slide on and off of the pallets easily without snagging the edge of the pallet gel. It'll also ensure your pallet gel doesn't lift up over time. And now you're good to go. When your pallets are heated up to 120 degrees, pallet gel will turn yellow to let you know your pallets are warm. Once lint builds up on your pallets, you can use a little water and a scrub pad to wipe the lint right off. And when it comes time to remove pallet gel, it'll peel cleanly off your pallets without any sort of mess.